In good morning class 8. In industrial system there are three things: input, process, आउटपुट. ठीक है, किसी भी इंडस्ट्रियल सिस्टम में ये तीन चीजें तो होती ही हैं. एक इनपुट, दूसरा प्रोसेस एंड तीसरा आउटपुट. हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल? फॉर एग्जांपल, sugar cane. We can take the example of sugar cane. Raw sugar cane, that is raw material, input, with the help of labor, process, making of sugar juice, that is process, and the product is the glass of sugar cane juice. Okay, so in input we require raw materials, labor, as we discussed previously, skilled and unskilled labor, then land, capital also, two kind of capital, working capital and fixed capital. Working capital means money in the hand, that is working capital. Fixed capital means establishment of the factory, machineries, these all are the fixed capital. Transport, basic requirement for the industry, as we discussed previously. What are the requirements of the setup of the industry? These all are the requirements of input. Are inputs. Power and the policies of the government are inputs. If we input means अंदर डालना किसी को. If we putting all these things in process, what is the process? The process include wide range. Production include different stages. First raw material, then it goes into second part, third, fourth, fifth. Then manufactured, after manufacturing, packing, tagging, brand making, everything. After that it reaches as a product. We are taking one more example. You can take the example of biscuit. Okay. You can take the example of biscuit. For biscuit, raw material, list of the raw material. Then process, again heating, cooling process, and then product. Last product is biscuit. Similarly, any sweet, कोई भी स्वीट जो घर पर बनती है, हम लोग एग्जांपल लेते हैं गुलाब जामुन बनाने, है ना? What we have to do? We require the things. मैदा चाहिए, मावा चाहिए, ड्राई फ्रूट्स चाहिए, शुगर, घी चाहिए, स्टोव चाहिए, ठीक है, तलने के लिए सारी इंजन जो भी है वो चाहिए. अब क्या करेंगे? प्रोसेस क्या है? बनाया उसको, गोले बनाए, फिर कुकिंग करा, कुक कर लिया, सब कुछ हो गया, चाशनी मिलाई, चाशनी मिलाने के बाद प्रोडक्ट क्या बना? Similarly, I am giving this example because you are familiar with these things. Otherwise, setup of the industry is a bigger point. Now, cement industry. What we require? Raw material, labor, land, transportation, power, other facilities and inputs. Then, setup of the factory. There are different departments. They manufacture in the processing period. First processing unit, second processing unit, third processing unit, fourth processing unit, the process, and finally it in form of the product. Any doubt? For revision, my first question is that name the economic activities Write down in chat box. Right answer: primary, secondary and tertiary. Good. Again, name 3 primary activities. Differentiate between primary and secondary activity. Agricultural activity directly related to the nature, and secondary activity process with raw material and make the thing valuable. Good. Yes. My next question is that on the basis of size, how can you classify the industries? Getting right answer: small and large scale industries. Agreed. Now, on the basis of ownership, industries categorized in how many parts? Ownership. Yes, public, private, joint and cooperative. Public, private, joint and cooperative. Yes, right answer. Names the factor affecting the location of factory. Yes, land, labor, availability of raw material, resources, capital. Government policies, transport, market, these all are the parts. Okay.